Welcome, my name is Balazs and we're here with Logitech from Hamburg, where we have the brand new Logitech G513 gaming keyboard. You already know this design because the 413 had about the same one, but now we have a few new features that I want to show it to you, and you can already see one in the background, which we will start with. That's the new palm rest, which is quite soft. It's memory foam actually built in, so it will go back to the same form it was on the beginning once you took it out of the box, even after half a year, after a year. So that's quite nice of a technology, and it has obviously faux leather on top, which feels really real, but will hopefully stand the wear and tear after half a year or even longer of intense gaming with the G513. What else you need to know about the new keyboard is obviously we still have the full aluminum design, which is not only looking good, but obviously is a light but still strong material. We have a full backlit RGB keyboard, which I will show you in a second what that means. My favorite feature is just a little easy feature actually. It's a USB port now on the right top corner, which is available for just plugging in your mouse or plugging in, for example, your smartphone to charge or doing anything like you would do with a regular USB hub, but it's only USB 2.0, bear that in mind. Otherwise you can obviously change the height of the keyboard. There's two options for that, and we have a new and brand new switch inside, which is linear. Now the difference between the old one and the new one you can see now in this slide, and we can see that for the new one, the linear one on the right side, it's easier to press. It's a little bit easier to press, and it will give you always the same amount of resistance, not like before where you had one certain point where it was really hard to press down. So you have to try it out actually for yourself to decide which one you like best. And let's get back to the RGB Backlight, which is amazing when you're using it now with a mouse, and the new G560 speakers, which you can also see a separate video about right here in the corner. There's the link. And so the new speakers have also RGB Backlight, and you can set up the whole thing together, so it's quite nice to have the whole thing in sync with your PC, doing the same light on all of the speakers, keyboard and mouse, or for example having different areas for watching a movie or anything like that, like an ambilight, which we have known from Philips for a few years now. So this was just a really short hands-on and a look over how the new Logitech G513 gaming G-series keyboard looks like, what it can do, and it's available now for $179, which is not cheap. If you look at the old one, the G413, it's under $100 now, which is still a good price for the old one, but the new one is also, I think, worth the money if you will use it for 2, 3, 4 or even 5 years, because the technology is there. It does everything right, I think. And thank you much for watching. Tune in again. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Video to see more interesting tech stuff. And check out also my new gaming headset that's coming out in 2 weeks by Logitech also when that launches.